didn't have a morning meeting because I couldn't film last week because John Ross was sick. So we're going to pick back up today. Yesterday was Monday, March 22nd, which is the number 22. And when I count, I say 22, 23. All right. So here's my number 23. And when I'm saying a date, I say March 23rd. Today is Tuesday, March 23rd, 2021. Now let's figure out how many days we've been in school. I'm gonna add another one into my ones column. Goes right here. Okay. And now I know I'm not close to 10 over here, so we're good. Because if there's 10 in the ones column, I've got to move it over. All right. Now this big group we've all counted, and we know that it's 100. These are 10, so we count these by 10s, and then these that are loose are just ones, right? So let's count 100, 110, 120, 121, 122, 123, 124, 125. You've been in school for 125 days. Now let's build 125. Okay. How many sets of 100 did I have? Just one. One big group of 100. So I need a 1 for one group of 100 in my 100 spot. Now how many groups of 10 did I have? 2. And I have the number 2 in my 10 spot, so that's already done. Now let's count how many ones we had and make sure we get those in there. Count with me. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. All right, so we need 5 in our 1 spot. So I'm going to switch this 4 over to a 5. And now I have the number 125. 125. All right, penny, penny, easily spent. Copper, brown, and worth 1 cent. Nickel, nickel, thick and fat, worth 5 cents. I know that. Quarter, quarter, big and bold, you're worth 25, I am told. All right, now I'm gonna hold up the card, and instead of just saying the letter and the sound, you're just gonna say the sound today, okay? So instead of going P says P, Q, U says P, you'll just make the sound P, Q, T, okay? And that's gonna get us reading a little bit faster, right? Remember the elements have motions. D. And Sh. B. X. T. G. O. R. K. K. Z. Ch. Ya. Wa. Wa. J. A. Ah. Eh. Ah. P. What does A Magic E say? A. U. O. I. E. Good job. All right. Now, today we're going to work with a new word family. Okay, remember word families are just words that sound the same at the end and they're spelled the same at the end. Kind of like my family all has the last name Vick, so all of our last names sound the same at the end, right? It's just the same word, okay? Word families are the same, they sound the same at the end. This word family ends in a sight word that you may already know, N. I-N, I, N. So if I change the first sound over and over, I'll get new words, okay? Start with this sound. Now I don't have to say every sound anymore, I just put it together with the word family. O, N, Lynn. Is that a real word? No, that's not a real word. Sometimes it's somebody's name, it's spelled different. So usually. Okay? Now my first sound is R, N, Wren. Is wren a real word? Nope, not a real word. Let's see if we can make a real one. Uh-oh, I see a problem. C can't go with I. C goes with A, O, and U, and K goes with the other two. So if I want a K word, I need to put a K with my I. All right, now we're ready. K-in, kin. That is a real word. That's like your relatives, people you're related to, your family. Okay. That makes sense while we're doing word families. Say kin. Let's do one more. Find a good one. Ooh, this is a really good one. It's the H, brother. All right, here we go. Put it together. Ch-in, chin. It's a real word. It's right here. Here's your chin. Good job, guys. All right, so we made a few real words, didn't we? All right, today I want to introduce you to a new shape. Now, this is a first grade shape. Okay, this is a shape you'll learn in first grade. You don't really need to know it in kindergarten, but we're ready to know it, so let's go ahead and learn it. This shape is called a trapezoid. Can you say that? Trapezoid. I always like this shape for some reason. Here it is in my little block. Okay, and I can see the trapezoid is a flat shape. There's no space there, right? It has 1, 2, 3, 4 sides and 1, 2, 3, 4 corners, kind of like a square or a rectangle. But it's different because it has one short side and one long side like this, and then these two sides are the same size. Okay, so it looks like almost like a little top of a house, almost like a trap, right? All right, let's do all our shapes. Here we go. Triangle, square, hexagon, rectangle, circle, cone, sphere, cube, cylinder, trapezoid. Good job. All right, now tell me how many. You ready? 7, 5, 6, 4, 9, 2, 8, 1, 10, 3, 0. Great job, guys.